Surprising uses of activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is still referred as one of the most powerful natural detox agents. This is because it's capable of absorbing harmful toxins and other particles that can wreak havoc on your health. Thanks to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and digestive properties, activated charcoal is now used as a base for other treatments. Now, we will take a look at how to use it. Number 1. Treatment for bloating and gas. Consuming activated charcoal can prevent the unpleasant symptoms of indigestion and gas after an irritating meal. Its compounds absorb any particle that interfere with your digestion, thus preventing inflammatory reaction. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder, 5 gram, 1 cup of water, 250 ml. Method: just add a teaspoon of activated charcoal to a cup of water and dilute it well. Simply drink this mixture before eating a large meal. Number 2. Mask for blackheads. This is one of the uses for activated charcoal that may be the most surprising for many. Because of its capacity for absorption, it's ideal for cleansing your skin and eliminating blackheads that clog your pores. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder, 5 gram, 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons of honey, 50 gram. Preparation: add the activated charcoal to a bowl and mix in the egg white. Beat well and add the tablespoon of honey. Ensure that the product is mixed well. How to apply: spread this mask over any areas affected by blackheads. Allow it to dry for 20 minutes and then carefully remove. Rinse with plenty of cold water to remove any leftover residue. Try applying this and tell us about your experience in the comment section below. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so you never miss any of our upcoming informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.